Hi everybody, welcome back to Travel with Dad. So today I want to show you what I'm going to be doing with my family. We are going on a train ride. We are here in my hometown of Tamaqua, Pennsylvania, and this is awesome. I mean, you couldn't beat the price, $14 per ticket to ride the train for an hour and a half or so. Plus, it's snowing. We can't beat this. This is awesome weather for a perfect train ride today. Now, if you live in a specific town or city, check it out. Check a website out if your town or city has something like that. See what kind of stuff they are doing for the Christmas holiday. I mean, this is awesome. I'm excited, and I'm excited for the baby to see once he gets on the train. Talk to you guys soon. Hi everybody, so I just wanted to let you know we are now on the train with Roman, Max, Cora, and Mom. We were having a lot of fun, and guess who we got to meet? We got to meet Santa. That was the best part of the trip, so we are heading back into Tamaqua now, and I will show you a little bit of the view as we go back into town. Thanks guys.